Hi
Hi
everyone.
Hi
guys,
guys.
Hey
First of all,
guys,
congratulations for cracking your exam.
we are Team NSS from IIM Raipur. I am Muskan Gangwar.
My name is Mayank Agrawal.
My name is M. Desai.
My name is Adya Rateria.
My name is Samrit.
my name is Pragadika Malla.
We present Analytics Club of IIM Raipur. Analytics Club is a forum that aims to bring multidimensional learning in the field of analytics for its members and other interested students. Seeing the spike in the demand for analytics and related technology areas, the club offers itself to be an advanced learning and engagement platforms.
So just to brief about the video, we have presented basic introduction, concepts and tools related to analytics which can be useful to you for your interview preparation. We have also included trendy topics and some frequent interview questions in the end. Even if you're not from an analytical background, the basic knowledge of these topics can be of great help to you. So let's dive into learning as per the flow presented on the screen.
Amid the constantly evolving analytics market, the fundamental shift from IT leading a charge to pursue business analytics initiatives to one where the business and IT share in this decision is now the new normal. There is no doubt that analytics has become strategic for most organizations today, and as such has introduced a new wave of both new consumers and new expectations. But what really analytics is? So, analytics can be defined as the systematic computational analysis of data or statistics. It is used for both discovery, interpretation, and communication of meaningful patterns in data. It also entails applying data patterns towards effective decision making. Analytics relies on the simultaneous application of statistics, computer programming, and operations research to quantify performance. We believe that putting analytics in the cloud is much more than just a deployment choice. It breaks down the barriers between people, places, data, and systems to fundamentally shift the way people and processes interact with information, technology, and each other. Organizations may apply analytics to business data to describe, predict, and improve business performance. Specifically, areas within analytics includes predictive analytics, prescriptive analytics, enterprise decision management, descriptive analytics, cognitive analytics, big data analytics, and the list goes on. Since analytics can require extensive computation, the algorithms and software used for analytics harness the most current methods in computer science, statistics, and mathematics as well.
You all must be aware of most prominent data analytical tools. Like you have to know few basics about the analytical tools. Let's have a look over it. The first one is R. R is one of the most popular analytical tools in the industry. It handles large data sets much better than it used to be. It also become a more versatile tool. Python. Python has been one of the favorite languages of programmer. It is also easy to learn language that is quite fast. However, it developed into one of the powerful data analytical tools with the development of analytical and statistical libraries. SAS continues to be most widely used tools in the industry. SAS to be robust, versatile, and easy to learn tool. Tableau is among the most easy to learn tools that perform effective job of slicing and dicing your data and creating visualizations and dashboards. Excel is of course the most widely used data analytical software in the world. Whether you are an expert in R or Tableau, you must still learn Excel for grunt work. Microsoft Power BI is a top business intelligence platform that offers support of dozens of data sources. This analytical software allows users to create reports, displays, and dashboards, and we can post them. SAP Business Objects. It provides suite of data analytical tools for data discovery, analysis, and reporting. The tools are designed for novice technical users, but also for carrying out complex analysis. And the last one is Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is one of the robust free open source online data analytical tools that can be administered in the browser after installation using the Anaconda platform or the Python package manager.
Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence makes it possible for machines to learn from the experience. adjust to new inputs, and perform human-like tasks. Most artificial intelligence example you hear about today, like self-driving car, from chess playing computers, and other things. These things rely heavily on deep learning and natural language processing algorithms. Using these technologies, computer can be trained to accomplish specific tasks by processing large amounts of data and recognizing pattern in these data. Now, the term machine learning was coined in 1956, but AI has become popular today thanks to the increasing data volumes, advanced algorithms, and improvement in computer power and storage. Now, artificial intelligence is an umbrella term which contains various things like deep learning, which uses huge neural networks with many layers of processing unit, taking advantage of these computer power and improved technologies to learn complex patterns in the large amount of data. Common applications including image and speech recognitions is done by deep learning. NLP, which is natural language processing. It is the ability of computer to analyze, understand, and generate human language, and this includes speeches. And then is machine learning, neural network, and computer visions. Computer visions, which rely on the patterns in the image and recognize them with the help of deep learning to understand what is in the picture and the video. In machine learning, there are various algorithms, and these are various type of machine learnings like supervised learnings. In this, we train the machine using a labeled dataset, and based on these training, the machine predicts the output. In unsupervised learning, we train the computer with the help of unlabeled data, and the machine predicts the output based on these unsupervised patterns and unsupervised data. In reinforcement learning, it works on the feedback-based model. The automated drones, which we are seeing, were trained based on these reinforcement learning. And then there is a semi-supervised learning, which uses both supervised learning and an unsupervised learning.
Hi everyone. The next training topic is predictive and prescriptive analytics. Business analytics of tomorrow is focused on the future and tries to answer the question, what will happen? How can we make it happen? Accordingly, predictive and prescriptive analytics are by far the most discussed business analytics trends among BI professionals, especially since big data is becoming the focus of analytics. Predictive analytics is basically the practice of extracting information from existing data sets to forecast future possibilities. It's an extension of data mining that refers only to the past data. It also estimates the future data and therefore always includes a possibility of error from its definition. It also indicates what might happen in the future with an acceptable level of reliability, including a few alternative scenarios and risk assessments. So among different methods of predictive analytics, there are two of the most common methods. First is ANN, that artificial neural networks, and other being auto-regressive integrated moving averages, that's ARIMA. ARIMA is basically a time series analysis that applies the data from past and makes predictions for the future. So, in a nutshell, predictive analytics tries to see what the effect of future decision will adjust the decision before they are made. Now, let's come to the next topic, that's data security. Data and information security has always been on everyone's list in 2021. Moreover, after implementation of many regulations like GDPR, that's General Data Protection Regulation, and LGBT, like Personal Data Protection Laws in Brazil. Businesses have been forced to invest into security to stay compliant with the new regulations, but also to protect from the cybercrimes. In fact, it is expected that global spending on cybersecurity products will reach up to $1.75 trillion in the next 5 years. And this is not a surprise. During 2020, due to COVID-19, companies of all sizes were forced to accelerate from offline to online mode, due to which the intent of cybercriminal attacks has increased to 100-fold. This concerns of security is also a challenge for SaaS BI. And to overcome this, SaaS BI has a solution named Cybersecurity Mesh Architecture. It basically helps to protect digital assets that resides in application in the cloud, IoT, or others. It seeks to establish a defined security perimeter around a person or a specific point with a more modular approach. So, in a nutshell, if I say, since data breaches have been regularly in the news, buzzing industries on average users, the demand for security products and services will always be understandable.
Most of you guys might be worried about where to begin and what to learn to build your knowledge or profile around IT and analytics. We got you covered with a few topics to start your revision. Statistics is a base strength an individual should have a grip on in a data-driven world. So we have listed a few topics and terminologies that you guys can look after. It is always great to go further and see how we can apply these terminologies in real life. Data mining is another such topic that will help you in understanding data and its pattern to make better business decisions. Maybe you guys can start your revision with the basic questions that we have listed. As all of us know, business intelligence is a trending technology that helps organizations make better data-driven decisions. And with the increasing demand for data, it is important to know about BI for aspirants who want a career in business and analytics. To give you guys a brief insight into what business intelligence is, we have covered a few topics here that you can read on. AI and machine learning are transforming business in all the industries. And we know most of the companies are trying to design their business model focusing on AI centric. Start your AI revision with the topics listed on this slide. There is always a lot more than you can discover in this data-driven world and in the field of analytics. Hope we have covered a few topics from where you can start your revision. Thank you.
We wish you all the best for the upcoming hustle and hope that you all will crack the process with a great energy and a smile on your face. Thank you.